Today we're doing a roof inspection on a roof that we put on approximately 8 years ago. We're actually here to look at the gutters we just installed, but since we're at the house we figured we might as well look at the roof. Starting off from the ground, you can look up and see that the shingles are all uniform. There's no nails popping up to make the shingles come out of place. The valley looks clean, no problems there. The main section of the roof, which has a center chimney, looks okay from the ground. For those of you with older homes, older roofs, most of your leaks are going to come from your flashings around the chimney, and we'll slide over here, or pipe collars where the rubber has broken down through the years. It should come as no surprise that most leaks come from penetrations in the roof, those of you that have skylights, etc. Looking at the other side of the chimney, everything looks fine there. No apparent weaknesses. Doing a visual on top. One thing we did notice during Hurricane Sandy, many leaks were actually coming from the barge cement on top of the chimney, small cracks, and with the volume of rain, many places 6, 7, 8 inches, it just seeped through. One way to cure this is to put either a Drylok paint, or it's a clear application Geosil, which seals the concrete. Continuing on to the other side of the house, everything looks fine on both sides. No shingles out of place, not that we would expect any to be, since the roof's not very old. For those of you with older homes, what you'll see is the granules, these granules here, starting to break down over time and collect in the gutter, or shingles will start to be pushed up by nails that are coming out of the roof. Homes that are built in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, typically you're going to have a plywood roof. Older homes in the 50s, 40s will have 1x6 or 1x8 boards. So you might ask, how often should I have my roof inspected? Well, this particular roof, since it's only 8 years old, we won't have to come back for another couple of years unless there's a problem. For those of you who have roofs 15, 20 years old, then probably every 2 to 3 years would be something you might want to look at. For those of you that have a relatively low-pitched roof, or a walkable roof, which is typically what we call a pitch of 612 and under 512. Inspecting the roof, as long as you have an easy access and not worried about the heights, it is fairly easy to do. For those of you with steeper roofs, then by all means call a roofing contractor. Better yet, call Bradley Construction. This particular roof here is not walkable. It's a 9/12 pitch, so you have to exercise a lot of care to get on this.